Hey everyone, Jason Hill here. Yes, I have this construction bucket. I'm not going to be doing any construction. I'm going to be brining a turkey. There are a lot of ways to brine a turkey, and I'm going to show you my favorite way. And if you've been liking my videos, please subscribe and hit that notification bell. That way you'll be notified when we post new videos. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so for the turkey, we have to prepare a brine. And for that, I've got a few simple ingredients here. I've got about 5 fresh bay leaves, small bunch of fresh sage, small bunch of fresh Italian parsley, tablespoon of dried thyme, cup of sea salt, and a 1/4 cup of whole peppercorns. Now that you have your ingredients set up, go ahead and grab a 5-gallon clean bucket, or if you have any other big container that you like to use. And I've got this filled up halfway with water. For these buckets, I've used anywhere from a 12-pound to a 22-pound turkey works in this bucket. So now I'm going to go ahead and put in the ingredients. I'm going to take my bay leaves, kind of scrunch them up a little bit to release the flavor, drop them in. Same thing with the other herbs. Kind of scrunch up the sage, drop that in there. Parsley, give it a little rub, bring out those flavors. And then the thyme, and you can use fresh thyme. I just didn't find any at my market, and of course my garden is frozen over this time of year. So I'm just going to break up that dried thyme with my fingers. Pour in our salt and the peppercorns. So after you do that, you got to give it a good stir because you want that salt to dissolve. You can kind of hear the salt granules are still not quite dissolved. All right, after you whisk it up for about a minute, you got to give it a taste because you want that salt to be, oh yeah, salty like the sea. Perfect. All right, I've already prepped my turkey. I've got just over 12-pounder here. Removed the neck and the giblets and rinsed it. So it's ready to go into the brine. Okay, let's slowly put the turkey in. Drop it in nice and slowly. You don't want to cannonball it in there. You have a big mess on your hand. You want to make sure it's completely submerged. And the water gets into the cavity. Perfect. And if yours doesn't submerge, you can always add more water, maybe a little more salt too. All right, I don't have a lid for my bucket, but I do have plastic wrap. So I'm going to take a few sheets, come over the top. And that way. And then to seal it up, do this old school method. Take a long thing of plastic wrap, just tie it around your bucket, and then you're sealed. Okay, this is going to go in the refrigerator, so you might have to do some adjustments on your shelf, on your shelves, and you want it to brine for at least 24 hours. Like I said, if you've been liking my videos, don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell, and like this video. I hope you enjoyed this easy turkey brine recipe, and as always, thanks for tuning in.